Want to add Amazon gift card to Amazon account? In this video, I will show you on how you can add Amazon gift card to Amazon account. First of all, launch open the Amazon shopping app. Make sure to log into your account. Now you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you get here, scroll down. Under gift card balance section, you will find the option of redeem gift card. Tap on that. Now here you can either scan your claim code, or if you want to enter the claim code, tap over here and then simply enter your claim code from here. Your claim code is located on the top of your gift card. Now go ahead and tap on apply to your balance option. Once redeemed, your gift card balance cannot be transferred to other accounts or used to purchase other gift cards. If you have entered the correct number over here, your gift card balance will be added to your account. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.